this is Rashmi, your cooking partner, and you're watching Bhukar. Today I'm going to show you how I make my desi traditional Indian style vegetable Maggi. I hope you guys will like it, enjoy it, and definitely try it at your home. Let's check out the ingredients first. To make desi vegetable Maggi, we need oil 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, green chilies 3 to 4, onion 1 sliced, tomato 1 diced, salt as per taste, peas half cup which is optional, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, Maggi 2 singles pack, and water 2 cups. Let's start cooking, guys. Here I am heating up a kadai. You can use a pan as well. Just make sure it is thinly based. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil here. As I have put on the oil, you see that the oil is heating up very quickly. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. The cumin seeds have started spluttering now. So let it splutter completely and then we will add onions. It has spluttered almost completely, so I'm going to add 1 sliced onion here. You can add more onions or any other veggies you can add at this point only. I am also going to add here 3 to 4 chilies because I really like spicy, and you can also use these green chilies. It really gives a nice flavor of the spice which we want. Make sure it is cooked completely. Let it turn light brown. Now that it has turned light brown, so I am going to add a few masala here. Make sure that you do not skip these masala. I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now I'm going to give it a quick mix because until it gets too late, it just takes 5 to 10 seconds to cook, and do not let it burn. Please make sure that it does not burn. And now to stop it from burning, we are going to add 1 tomato which is diced. You can add more tomatoes if you really like that tangy flavor. I'm going to give it mix, and now I am going to give it a little time to get cooked, and to increase the speed of cooking I am adding a little salt. Make sure that the salt is not much more. Let it keep less because Maggi masala is also having the salt, and we do not want that much more saltiness here. We have just to put the salt to let the cooking be good for the tomatoes only. As you see, it is turning mushy here. Let's check. It's not yet done, so we'll wait a few more minutes. Now as you see, it is turning almost mushy now. Now it is cooked completely, and now at this moment I'm going to add half cup of peas. It is totally optional. You guys can skip it if you don't like it, or if you don't have it, just let it this way only. I'm mixing it quite well. Make sure that you also give everything a good mix, and make time that everything is cooked very well. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water here. As you see, the water is boiling. As you see, the corners of the kadai has started bubbling up. The water in the corners, obviously the kadai will not bubble up. Now I'm going to put 2 Maggis here. I do not like very long noodles, so I am just breaking it up. You guys can just put it like that if you like long noodles. It wouldn't be a problem. Here goes the rest of the Maggi, which I really cracked very badly. I'm going to give it a good mix now so that everything mix up completely. I am not adding the masala now. I am just going to wait for it until the noodles get little soft. Now I will just wait. Let it cook. As you see, it is really looking good now. The haldi has shown its color here. Now as you see, the bubbles have really become less. It is not yet cooked completely, but this is my time that we will give the masala also time to be cooked. So I am going to put Maggi masala here. It is full Maggi masala, there's nothing left now. I've checked it, as you see. I'm mixing it up completely, and this is the last process. It is almost done, guys. Just wait for it to be cooked completely. I do not want that water to just splutter anywhere, spill anywhere. As you see, it is almost done, guys. It is looking really good. I just can't control. I really like Maggi, as you see. Guys, now it is time to just serve it up. Nobody can wait for its serving, I know. Let's just take time and make it in a dish. Now I am turning it here. It is done now, guys. I really want you guys to copy this, to try this recipe at your home, and this will definitely give you a good taste. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.